Hello everyone, today let's learn how to create a rolling announcement. Nowadays, websites have variant forms of announcements. These announcements can take different formats, including static ones, scrolling queues, or more commonly, vertical carousels. First, let's set up the widgets. Drag into a dynamic panel. Check 100% wide browser in the style pane to fill the background with the entire browser width. Change the fill color of the dynamic panel to yellow. Select Icons Library, search for a volume icon, and drag it to the dynamic panel. Then drag in a label. Change the content to what we have already created. Create it as a dynamic panel. Add 2 new states and modify their contents. Next, let's set up the interaction. Select the Announcement Dynamic panel, add Loaded Interaction, set the dynamic panel state to Next, and check Wrap from last to first. Add Slide Up Animation. Check Repeat Every and enter 2000 milliseconds. Preview the prototype. You can see the announcement constantly rolling up. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.